has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lincoln Hill, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Cedartown, Buck Canyon, Rockmart, Ali, Tallapoosa, Aragon, Cave Spring, Taylorsville, Fish Creek, Etna, Lindale, Eubank Lake, Ephraim Hill, Antioch, Van Wert, Sunny, and Felton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service